Hello everyone. Today we will see Modern English, Modern Oxford English, ICSE Grade 1. We will do the lesson reading first. The lesson number 3, Raju's Auto Rickshaw. We'll read once again the heading. Lesson number 3, Raju's Auto Rickshaw. So we'll start with it. See, before starting with the lesson, you see here, what is it, children? This is an auto. Hey, and this is the driver whose name is Raju, who is driving his auto rickshaw. And who is this person? Who is this passenger? Someone is sitting behind him, right? So who is this passenger? His name is Bolu, Mr. Bolu, who is sitting in the auto rickshaw. And the auto rickshaw, who is driving? Raju is driving. So he is going very slowly he is going. So we will see the story, Raju's auto rickshaw. Now see, Raju is driving his auto rickshaw. Raju is driving. So Raju is driving his auto rickshaw. Mr. Bolu is sitting in the auto rickshaw. Mr. Bolu is the one who is sitting in the auto rickshaw of Mr. Raju. The auto rickshaw is going slowly. So how is the auto rickshaw going? The auto rickshaw is going slowly. Tika tak, swick, rattle, trip, vroom vroom vroom. That means the sound of auto rickshaw. Why? Because the auto is very old and the Raju, who is the driver of the auto rickshaw, is also tired. So the auto is very old. Raju is tired. Mr. Bolu is a tall man. So who is Mr. Bolu? Mr. Bolu is a tall man. He is very heavy. So this is few words of Mr. Bolu. So how is he? Mr. Bolu is how is he looking? He is a tall man. He is very heavy. So because of that, the auto is also very old. So auto is going slowly. Raju is tired of driving the auto rickshaw. So what happened? See, the auto is going slowly. Mr. Bolu, that is the person sitting behind him. So this is the person for whom Raju is driving. So see, Mr. Bolu is not happy. Why you think? Is he not happy with him? It's because Mr. Bolu is not happy is because the auto rickshaw is going very slowly. Mr. Bolu is not happy. Faster, he shouts. What he says? Faster, he shouts. Raju is going faster. He is trying to go fast. So Raju is going faster. The auto is making a noise. What is the auto making? The auto is making a noise. How is the noise making? See, taka tak. See here, taka 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 tak. See, taka 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 tak. Again, the auto is making taka taka tika tika tick. Now the auto is going very fast. See, now what happened? The auto is going very fast. See here, again read here from. See, the lesson is about Raju, his auto rickshaw. Okay, Raju and his auto rickshaw. So, Raju's auto rickshaw. See, Raju's auto rickshaw. Raju is driving his auto rickshaw. Mr. Bolu is sitting in the auto rickshaw. The auto rickshaw is going slowly. Tika tak, swick, rattle, vroom vroom vroom. Why? The auto is very old. Raju is tired because Mr. Bolu is a tall man and he is very heavy. Now see here what happened. The auto is going slowly. So for that, Mr. Bolu is not happy. So what he is saying to the driver Raju? Faster, he shouts. Raju is going faster. Now what is he doing? He is trying to go fast. So Raju is going faster. The auto is making a noise. Which noise? See here. Taka 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 tak. Taka taka tika tika tick. Now the auto is going very fast. Now the auto is going very fast. Now see here. So what happened here? See in the image here. Who is he? He is a dog, right? So see, a dog is sleeping at the side of the road. So what happened? See, this is a dog who is sleeping at the side of the road. The dog hears the auto coming. So what the dog hears? The dog hears the auto coming. The auto is coming fast. He is hearing the sound of an auto, and while seeing the auto is coming fast, the dog opens one eye. The dog opens one eye. See here, the dog opens one eye. Again, we will read here what happened. As the auto is going very fast, and when the dog is seeing it's coming so fast, dog is sleeping at the side of the road. Where is he sleeping? At the side of the road. He hears some auto is coming. Thus the sound of an auto he is hearing. The auto is coming so fast. The dog opens one eye. Now what happened? The dog sees a cat on the wall. See, where is the cat? Cat is here, right? See, where is the dog? Dog is here. So what he sees? The dog sees a cat on the wall. A wall is here. On the wall, the dog is seeing a cat. The dog sees a cat on the wall. So what happened? Dog stands up. Why he stands up? He runs across the road. Why he runs across the road? See here. See. The dog sees a cat on the wall. The dog stands up. The dog stands up. And the dog runs across the road. Auto is coming so fast, he is not concentrating there, and instead, who is there? The cat is there. Because of that, he is just seeing there and he is just trying to cross. So what happened now? The dog runs across the road. Suddenly, see here, auto is coming so fast. Here, dog is trying to cross the road, and because who is there? Because the cat is there. All of a sudden, the auto is turning. All of a sudden, what is saying? The auto is turning. The auto is stopping now. See, who shouts Raju. Who is Raju? The driver. What is he doing? Ho shouts Raju. The auto is turning. Like, why is he shouting? Because your dog is coming. He is trying to cross the road in between. Right? So, see, the auto is turning. The auto is stopping. Hey, shouts Mr. Bolu. Hey, shouts Mr. Bolu. See here. So, the Mr. Bolu is not stopping. He is flying high in the air. Where is he flying? He is not stopping instead. He is just flying. He is flying high in the air. So what happened? Hey, shouts. Again he is shouting. Again who? The Mr. Bolu is shouting. Now he is on the side of the road where the dog was. Right? Now where is he? He is on the side of the road. He is high on the top of heap of sacks. Here you can see the sack which are kept here. He is on the high, that is on the top. He is there on heap of sacks. So Mr. Bolu is not happy for that. Hence Mr. Bolu is not happy, and Raju is laughing. So, it's by Nicholas Hosberg. Again we will just read the lesson. See here, lesson number 3, Raju's auto rickshaw. We will just read one by one. Lesson reading. Lesson number 3, Raju's auto rickshaw. See, Raju is driving his auto rickshaw. Mr. Bolu is sitting in the auto rickshaw. The auto rickshaw is going slowly. Tika tak, squeak, rattle, trrr, vroom, vroom, vroom. The auto is very old. That's why the sound is. Raju is tired. Why? Because Mr. Bolu is a tall man. He is very heavy. Now see here, the auto is going slowly. Mr. Bolu is not happy. Faster. That's why he is not happy, because auto is going very slow. So he is saying faster, he shouts. Raju is going faster. The auto is making a noise. Which noise? Taka 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 tak. Taka taka tika tika tick. Now the auto is going very fast. So what happened now? You can see here. See, now the auto is coming very fast here. Dog is sleeping at the side of the road. So the dog hears the auto coming. The auto is coming fast. The dog opens one eye. The dog opens one eye. Now what happened? The dog sees when he opens one eye, the dog. So what he sees is a cat on the wall. On that side, on the other side, he is seeing there is a cat which is on the wall. On the wall side, see, the dog sees a cat on the wall. So seeing this, dog stands up. The dog runs across the road. Ho, 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 ho. Like he is barking. Then shouts Raju. Raju is shouting now because he is on the way and the dog is trying to cross the road. So what he is doing, all of a sudden he is trying to stop it. He is trying to stop the auto. So the auto is turning. Now the auto is, see, the auto is turning. The auto is stopping. Hey, hey, hey. Who is shouting? Mr. Bolu. He shouts, hey, hey, hey. Like this. What are you doing? Hey, like this. Mr. Bolu is not stopping. He is flying high, high, high in the air. So what happened? Again he is shouting, hey, hey, hey. Shouts Mr. Bolu. Now where is Bolu? Bolu is on the side of the road. On the side of the road. Now he is on the top of a heap of sacks. What is it? It's a sack, right? Heap of sacks. So now the Bolu is on the high of, that is the top of a heap of sacks. So Mr. Bolu is also not happy with this. Seeing all this, Raju is laughing. Raju is laughing. This is a lesson by Nicholas Horsburgh. Nicholas Horsburgh. So in our next video, we will see the exercises related to the Raju's auto rickshaw, lesson number 3.